Hey and welcome to this new video of mastering Symfony. So in this video we learn about the redirection. So here in this post, or when we want to create a new or to add a new post, when we fill in this form, we hit or we click save, and it the post save and added to database, and we still in this or in the same page. So normally when we click on save, we must or we need to go to the other page of just slash post, so that we can see all the posts. So how we can do that, let's see. So let's go to our code, to our controller, and we see here in post controller we have three methods: create action, show action that shows just one, and index action that shows all or everything in the database or all the data. So now normally after we finish with create action, we need to be redirect to this action or this index action. So let's here use a new method called redirect to route. So $this redirect to route, and here it's a function, and inside this parameter we need to type the name of the index. So and here we don't have a name, so let's create a name for this index or for this route. Let's give it name equal, for example, index dash post or show for example. So we will copy this and paste it in here. Now let's save, and those are between the bracket double save. Now let's go again to our navigator. Now let's try, for example, title. Let's make just 3, description, disk 3 slug sl url. Let's go and search for another, for example, Laravel. Hit enter, image, and go to, for example, this one of, or it's the new logo of Laravel. It's Laravel 6. So copy URL or the address of the image, go here, paste it, alt Laravel, and with action. Now let's click on save and see. Click on save. Now the post will be saved in the database, but we will not be redirected to see the posts are saved in the database. So let's refresh in here. We see that they are executed and saved to the database, but we still here in the same page and we didn't been redirected to the other. So let's go and see why and correct it. So it's because we need here to make a return. So return. Now let's save and go back and check again. Let's refresh this and let's try to create a new post and see if we will be redirected. So title, let's make, for example, Laravel. Description, PHP framework, slug Laravel 6. URL, let's pass that URL alt. Let's also use Laravel. Let's make it active and let's save. Now it will be saved, and also we will be redirected to the other path or just post. Now if we go to the bottom, we see the new post that we created of Laravel, and this is the image and the description, and those are basically, it's still static of the author. Now how about if I want to be redirected, but with a parameter or a dynamic segment. So here in this function we found this show. Let's add, for example, a new dynamic segment. Let's call it the ID, and since we put it in here, we declare it in here as dynamic segment, we need to put it in here also. Let's return be normal, deleted echo, and also I will comment this, and I will just use the repository of found. So I will just copy this, paste it in here. Basically there's no need for the moment, and now use another one, query, for example repo dot repository, or get, or without repo find, not find all, or just dot, let's make it just find, and here with this ID. So let's save now. Now we will just change that to post, and also change it in here and send a post. So we'll declare a table, so post equal to post. Now let's save. Let's go now, let's try and check this. Go back to here, but first let's go again to this show HTML. So it's in partial, so let's go to it, partial show, and let's delete this and let's make it dynamic, and let's use post dot title, and here in this lorem option we'll delete all of that, and let's create the new, or post dot description. Let's save. Now let's go back to our controller, and let's give this method or this function a name. So name, let's name it show post. Let's save. And now let's go back, and here let's change this to show index, but in this show post, so show post, and basically now in this show post we have a dynamic segment. So how we can also put it or write it in here. So this function have a second parameter, which is a table, and now here dynamic its ID, and here we will have, for example, the post get ID. So get ID. Let's save. Let's now again go and try this. So here post create, let's hit enter, and we will be redirected to the form. We will create a new form. So for example here test title, and here test description for the slug, the image always with I will see if I can go back. Let's copy it just here from the IDSQL. Don't know, I didn't think of that before. So image, go here, save it, or copy it and come back here and paste it. Alt Laravel 6 active. Now let's click on save and see. So save, and we see in here that he add this dynamic ID, or this dynamic segment, which is ID, and he redirect us to this form or to this new path. So we go to this page of show index.tree, and here the title of this post that we just created with its description. So I think, yeah, this is all for this video, and see you next.